Hi there, I'm Dr. Aparna Gupta. I'm an endodontist and an aesthetic dentistry specialist, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my YouTube channel. With over a decade of experience, I have dedicated my time and career to mastering the art and science of dental care, with special emphasis on root canal treatments, aesthetic dentistry, those day-to-day small tips and tricks and techniques that make our patients' lives better every day. Whether you're a seasoned dentist looking to refine your technique or a fresh young graduate eager to learn the ropes, this channel is designed with you in mind. My goal is to share practical tips and tricks that I have gathered over the years, those insights and techniques that will help you elevate your practice and deliver successful, exceptional care to your patients. From clinic management, patient communication to the latest in aesthetic dentistry, root canal treatments, I will cover it all. I understand as dentists, our lives can be super busy. To keep it simple for everyone, I will be giving bite-sized tutorials, in-depth case studies, and answers to those common burning questions we have to run our practice successfully day to day, every day. So I'm looking forward to connecting with you all. Wait for our next video and do hit that subscribe button to not miss an update from us.